Hello everybody, Gareth here from Clockwork Eye Video Training, and I just thought I need to do a quick video just to show you how cool OBS Studio is. I'm literally hit record, I've built all my framework and stuff, and I'm ready to rock and roll. So I'm doing my video now, I'm recording it, and basically I'm getting ready, and I thought, well, what can I do? As you all know, I'm going to be doing a workshop on using OBS Studio on November the 22nd. Get off. And basically, I'm going to be showing people how to do cool things like this. And I thought, well, what could I do as a video now? And I thought, well, what better than to show you how to download it? So if you go along to the website obsproject.com, and then as you can see, you can download it for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So go ahead, download it. It's free. That's the beauty of it. It allows you to do all these fancy things as you record in. And basically, if you want to come along to the workshop on November this 22nd, 2 p.m., get off. Then by all means book on. I'll put the link in the description. If you use the code video50, then basically you'll get the course for half price. And look, I can even make it flash. How cool is that? That's really cool, isn't it? So yes, and don't forget, if you're interested in using video in your business, then we have the Video Creators Club. So if you'd like support, expert advice, and guidance in creating and using video, then why not check out our Video Creators Club? All right, cheers then. Bye-bye. And that only took 5 minutes.